To remove the motor, first you're gonna remove the tire from the motor. 8mm socket with a Phillips head screw gun. Remove the nuts. Remove the ring, the screws, set aside. The tire should just pull off. Watch that edge right there, it's a real sharp aluminum right there. Take your 4mm hex head wrench, loosen the screw for the motor C-clamp, push that over, remove that screw that's right there, Phillips. Set aside. The motor potentially could be pretty tight, so you're going to put a little bit of leverage on it. Tap this side out right here. It should come out. Notice the way the motor wires are plugged in right there. See the arrows? Pull it apart. Line the arrows up again. There's a little groove right there also. Push them together. This is a real tight fit right here, so what you're going to need is, all this is just a little bit of dish soap, a couple drops, all you need. Rub that on there. The pin facing up, the screw hole, push your wires in there. Should slide in there. There you go. Add your screw back. Slide your motor C-clamp over. Don't over tighten this, but you gotta get it tight. Install your motor, or install your tire here. This side's out. This side's out. That side's in. So line up your screw holes. Install your ring. Install your nuts. Tighten the screws and nuts together. You could do all this by hand.